Today we are doing a shopping haul from Hobby Lobby. Grandma wanted to pick up some more florals. They were 50% off, so I picked up quite a few florals, and as you're going to see, some pretty nice ones, along with a few fairy accessories to add to what I already own and have. These are pretty small, but they'll be cute tucked away in my fairy garden. There was 3 of them for $6.99. Here is a fairy window that was $5.49. Can you see the window and the pretty flowers in the flower box? Thought it looked really cute. I really loved the little bird's nest and the eggs. I bought 2 sets, even though I already have one I bought this year, so that gives me 3. Probably won't even open these. It's just I don't know if they're going to have them in the future, and they were so cute and they worked out so well in the fairy garden. I wanted 2 sets. Now I got some little wooden rounds. Let me see if I can find the cost. The wooden rounds were $4.99, but there's quite a few in here, and I'll be able to use them for quite a few projects. And I can make all kinds of little things in my fairy garden. Do their little photo op, carefully take them back out and put them in a baggie, for they will last at least a year or 2. If I leave them in the garden, they'll be ready for the trash can probably in 6 months. And I already said I'm going to try really hard to reuse and repurpose as many things as I can for as long as I can, to cut down on the expense that I'm spending for my display pieces. And they had all the flowers and plants at 50% off. So I got this beautiful, beautiful plant with these very delicate, beautiful pink flowers on them. And originally it sold for $7.99. I bought a pair, so I still spent $7.99, but instead of getting 1, I got 2. And they're pretty nice, and here's the other one that I bought. I love beautiful florals, and Hobby Lobby, if you don't get them on sale, they're way too expensive. And here's another beautiful bunch of flowers I bought, and I also bought a pair of these. They originally sold for $9.99, but because this was a 50% sale, I got 2 of them for that price. And are they not beautiful? I love them. And this one was $14.99, and that is really expensive, but they were really big, bushy bushes, and I got a pair of them for that price. I would have never spent $30 for 2 little, well, they're not little, they're big, but still, these things really get expensive. But they are beautiful, and there's the other one that I bought. So it will make a beautiful floral arrangement for years, because if you buy good quality silk flowers, they will last anywhere from 5 to 20 years. It depends on how you care for them. And the best part of all is when they get dusty, you just take them outside, carefully rinse them off with water, leave them out to dry, and they're just like brand new again. I'm so happy with how these turned out, but I'm still not done. Hang in there, we have some more to share. Well, when I was still at Hobby Lobby, I noticed these beautiful purple berries, and they match the purple berries on my berries that I bought for my name tags for my place settings. And I do have a project for that. Well, to my amazement, I found this to go with it. So now I can make a beautiful little flower arrangement on the table to go and match. I'm so happy. Now I know in this video you really can't tell how purple they are and how pretty they are. I don't know why they're filming so poorly, but they are much prettier in person than way they're filming. And the leaves look very pretty also. very happy how they are. I paid $7.99 for both bunches. They were another 50% off. All their floral was 50% off. So I was super happy for all the florals that I found. This is my Hobby Lobby wonderful shopping trip. I was so happy with all the beautiful florals I got. Now, they do have some of the prettiest florals, but the only bad thing is they're very expensive if you don't get them on sale. So I was lucky to find a 50% off, and that's why I spent so much. And I have enough flowers here to at least do probably 2 or 3 centerpieces with no trouble. And of course, I reuse and repurpose as much as I can. But I was so happy to find something that I really wanted. If I was looking for these, I'd probably never find them. And I just happened to run across them. You know, I bought them. I hope you enjoyed all the things that we shared today, and all the things that Grandma bought. And of course, Grandma bought some more bees. She loves her bees, and I didn't really need any, but I don't know how hard it's going to be to find these either. So I bought these last year, and so I bought another package this year for future tablescapes for my bee. I always do a lot of bee centerpieces, cozy corners, and tablescapes with them. So I'm very happy with them. So I just bought them because I use them so much. Thank you so much, my friends, for stopping by. Hope you enjoyed what we found today. Hugs and kisses. If you're not already following, please think about it and click the like button. Take care, my awesome friends. Till the next video.